Alright, here we go, engine start. Alright, here is, I want to switch these two cables, green and the blue, and the motor will raise up. Alright, as you can see, I have switched the cables. Now the blue's over here, the green's over here, and here we go. Motor goes up. All the way up. Now we'll go ahead and switch the cables again. Switch and switch. You can see right there they're switched. Come over here and there you go, motor goes down. I paused the video because I hadn't put the wire all the way back in, but anyways, there you go, see, just switch it over.